Today is a sad day. Well, not sad, it's bittersweet. The F-Pace has gone. Before the turn of the year, I was talking about what can I swap it out for, and today it's happened. It's gone. It's gone off to a lovely couple. Alicia, if you're watching this, I hope you're enjoying your new car, and I hope you love it and enjoy it as much as I did. Needless to say, I do not want to daily this car. This is my weekend toy. I enjoy it and I don't want to be putting miles on it for work, to and from work. So I need a new daily. And I wanted something comfortable, reliable and economical to daily. Why do I do this to myself? Range Rovers have been getting a heck of a lot of bad press lately. They are the most stolen car in the UK. Insurance prices have gone sky high as a result, which means the value of these has gone the opposite way. They have absolutely tanked. And they don't show any sign of slowing down anytime soon. The prices are just falling through the floor, which means you can pick up a bargain and get a heck of a lot of car for the money. Just take a look at this little montage and hopefully that will give you the same level of enthusiasm about this car as I've got. This car is the epitome of luxury. It has so many features. It's just a level up from the F-Pace. It's huge. The boot space, take a look at this. It is massive. And the features you get inside are mind-blowing. There is leather everywhere. It's all over the dashboard, the seats, the sides here. It's not pleather, fake leather or plastic printed to look like leather. The centre armrest, there's even these additional armrests here in case you really need to rest your arms, I guess. The steering wheel, the airbags, it's everywhere and it's put together so well. It just feels quality. The seats have adjustment for days. Not only can you do how far forward your leg rest is, there's also the base up and down, the back, the lumbar, also the headrest. You can adjust the headrest here and you've got your memory settings. And it doesn't stop there. Yep, you guessed it, the back as well. I am not kidding. You can adjust the back seats as if. There's heated seats in the back to go with the quad zone climate control, plus charging for USB and standard 12-volt car accessories. And you can tell this really is a car that's designed for being driven in. Not only can I control my double glazed window from here, but if it's a bit breezy over the other side, I can do both of them from here. That's crazy. But it doesn't stop there. I can control my reading or laptop lights. I can also control the blinds. And I can mute the sound system from there as well. I've got full control of the climate control in the back, as well as my heated seat. Now, not only does this car come with the air suspension, as you saw in that little montage, but I didn't go for the 5-litre supercharged. I didn't go for the 4-litre V8 diesel. This is the 3-litre turbo diesel V6 lump. Now, anybody who knows their Range Rovers, in particular the L405 or the 3-litre V6 diesel lump, will know that these have a habit of snapping crankshafts. Yeah, that's not good. So, why on earth did I buy one? Well, every engine has its known issues. This one, I think it's 0.8% of engines have reported crankshaft issues. The 4-litre V8 diesel has fuel dilution in the oil issues. And in a way, it ties in to why I bought this car. I don't intend to keep it. Yep, you heard that right. I do not intend to keep this car. I bought it on a PCP deal, and the idea is I'm going to keep this for probably 2 years, maybe 2.5 years, and then chop it in at the end. And I learned that the hard way on the F-Pace. Let me explain. With the prices of these plummeting, it is a great time to pick up a bargain. You can get what was 120 to 150,000 pounds worth of car new for a third of that. And the bonus being, it's only a few years old. It's warranted, it's got low mileage, it's done 30,000 miles, and I don't intend to keep it for that long. So I can enjoy this car. It's cheaper than leasing, it's a darn sight cheaper than buying a brand new one, and I can enjoy a couple of years of motoring in this luxury car for a fraction of the price. Yes, they don't have great rep for their reliability, and yes, it is the most stolen car in the UK. It's probably now got a challenge on its hands with the new Defender, probably trying to pip it to the post for number one there. But it's insured, it's warranted. I'm not worried about the residual value in this because it's going back at the end of it. I've got no interest in keeping it. I'm just going to enjoy it for a couple of years. And I learned that the hard way with the F-Pace. We own that outright, and to say I lost a packet on it is an understatement. That tanked in value over the 4 years of my ownership. There was nearly 90,000 miles on the clock. It was a great car. I really enjoyed it, but probably a couple of years overdue getting rid of that. Hence, I'm following this model now. And who knows, there might be some residual value in this when I go to get rid of it. I doubt it. It'll be a lovely problem to have, but I'm just going to enjoy it. It is a heck of a lot of car. It's comfortable, it's quiet, it wafts along just beautifully. I'm going to enjoy it, and I've got a few things up my sleeve for it. Now, you might recall I mentioned about crankshaft snapping. Now, you don't need to know a lot about cars to know that's not a good thing. So, in a future video, I'm going to take a look at what I can do to investigate the health of this crankshaft, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. I'm also going to do a few security updates. It is the most stolen car in the UK after all. And I'm also going to do a few styling and a few little modifications to this, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But I'm giving away too much. If you like what you've seen, please do sub to the channel by hitting that button down below. Stick around, stay tuned for future videos on this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Did I even start recording that? Yep. Silly Grant, come on. Which means you can pick up a bargain.